Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the stock trade settlement process. In the stock market, there's always a buyer and a seller. So when a person buys a certain number of shares, there is another trader who sells the shares. This trade is settled only when the buyer receives the shares and the seller receives the money. Let's see the process that happens behind the scenes. There are three basic steps: trading, clearing, and settlement. In trading, a large number of trades occur simultaneously. The stock exchange uses an electronic order matching system to match the buy orders and the sell orders from different traders. This way, each trade is executed. Now let's see the next step, that is clearing. Once two orders match and a trade is executed, the clearing process takes place. The entire process is managed by clearing houses. In India, there are two major clearing houses: NSCCL, National Security Clearing Corporation Limited, and ICCL, Indian Clearing Corporation Limited. The clearing houses identify the buyer and the seller and ensure that money reaches the seller and the shares reach the buyer. Once the buyer receives the security and the seller receives the payment, the transaction is settled. In this entire process, there is another important intermediary known as the depository. A depository is an institution that holds and facilitates the exchanges of securities. In India, the two depositories are the National Securities Depository Limited (NSDL) and the Central Depository Service Limited (CDSL). In order to trade in the secondary market, the security should be held in electronic form by the investors. DPs or depository participants, usually your brokerage firm, act as intermediaries between the depository and the investor. These depositories allow brokers to deposit securities so that the activities such as book entry and record keeping services can be performed. They are also involved in dematerialization and transfer of securities. In addition, the settlement of securities is done through the Demat account that the investor holds with the depository participant. A trade in the stock market takes place in an instant, but for that to happen smoothly and efficiently, all these processes take place in the background, and knowing the whole process may help you understand how the stock market works better. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.